Certified management accountants have become increasingly sought after in the global business landscape. This article will discuss the benefits of obtaining a CMA certification and how it can positively influence your accounting career. Specifically, we will examine the advantages of a CMA designation to your current or future accounting job, such as improved earning potential and higher professional credibility. What is a certified management accountant? A certified management accountant is a certified accountant who demonstrates expertise in both financial accounting and strategic management. This designation is awarded in the field of accounting. These professionals are qualified for various positions, ranging from financial controller to chief financial officer, and are colloquially known as CMAs. What is the role of a certified management accountant? A certified management accountant is a member of the accounting profession who specializes in management accounting and uses that knowledge to assist businesses in making more informed decisions. They are analytically minded individuals who think strategically to enhance the overall success of the company for which they work. Various entities, including corporations, nonprofit organizations, government organizations, and other businesses, employ CMAs. Certified management accountants are frequently found in leadership positions and may hold titles such as financial analyst, financial planner, cost accountant, corporate controller, or even chief financial officer. The following are examples of the primary forms of assistance that they offer: performance management, cost management, risk management, financial analysis, support for decision making. 6 benefits of becoming a CMA. 1. The CMA is the industry's most prestigious accounting credential. The Certified Management Accountant designation may be unfamiliar to your aunts and neighbors, but it carries significant weight in corporate accounting. It is referred to as the gold standard, which means that obtaining it is equivalent to receiving one of the highest possible certifications in management accounting. Additionally, it is the credential that is expanding at the quickest rate across the entire world. Many people derive great satisfaction from being at the top of their field and holding the most prestigious title. The Certified Management Accountant designation is an advanced professional certification. As stated, it focuses on evaluating essential accounting and financial management skills. This is especially important to keep in mind to achieve success in a professional setting. This distinction indicates that you will be an excellent candidate for open positions. 2. It is considered the world's most widespread management accounting certification. The CMA is the most prominent organization in this field. Still, most of its members are concentrated in the United Kingdom. Despite this, the CMA is expanding at a faster rate than the CMA does across the world. The number of certified management accountants in the United States is lower. Still, this credential is now the most widely held management accounting credential in the United States and the regions with the quickest economic growth, namely China and the Middle East. 3. CMAs receive a higher salary. Let's face it, we want to improve our knowledge and skills, but ultimately, we need certification to land jobs that pay more. An in-depth study conducted by the Institute of Management Accountants found that CMA certification holders earn approximately 58% more than their counterparts who are not certified. More is always better, but to what extent are we discussing increasing the amount? Because the global mean and median base salary for CMA certification may fluctuate yearly, you must ensure that you are always current on the statistics. However, the numbers are still high and appealing to people interested in becoming certified management accountants. This means there is still an excellent reason to consider getting your CMA. According to the IMAS research, the global mean base salary for CMAs in 2021 was $70,000, while the international median base salary for individuals who did not hold a CMA was $45,000. Generally, this will increase from one year to the next. Therefore, we are confident that there will be consistent increases in the years to come. 4. Many people find that having CMA skills is more practical. According to different trade journals, approximately 80% of accountants work in the private sector. The knowledge and abilities related to management accounting are, in point of fact, more useful for these professionals. In addition, many people who hold both a CPA and a CMA find that the information presented in the CMA course is more interesting and applicable to their day-to-day work. When it comes to the day-to-day responsibilities of being an accountant, the abilities you acquire through becoming a certified management accountant are frequently regarded as the best in the business by those familiar with the accounting profession and the industry. 5. The IMA simplifies things for us. In contrast to the CPA exam, which requires applicants to meet several prerequisites before taking the exam, the IMA, which is in charge of administering the CMA exam, keeps everything straightforward, uncomplicated, and well organized. Candidates worldwide are encouraged to apply to the IMA as the examination is held in hundreds of locations across the globe. Make sure to understand that obtaining the CMA is not made simpler by the fact that there is a lower barrier to entry. To become certified, candidates must hold a bachelor's degree, demonstrate that they can succeed on a challenging exam, and accumulate 2 years of experience in management accounting. On the other hand, The IMA strives to make the steps necessary to become a CMA as painless as possible. Candidates can instead focus on passing the exam and fulfilling the experience requirements rather than getting bogged down in the bureaucracy and conflicting rules from various state boards involved in the CPA certification process. This is a significant advantage for many candidates, and it is one of the primary reasons why some people select CMA rather than one of the other accounting certifications. 6. CMA increased job security. Employers worldwide recognize and value the CMA credential, making it easier for certified professionals to switch jobs without worrying about finding a new position. With their distinguished certification, CMA holders are considered competent and reliable professionals with the knowledge and skill set needed to add value to any organization they may join. In addition, CMA holders often experience salary increases due to the value they bring with their certification. This job security helps individuals develop a successful long-term career plan with more consistent job opportunities from one employer to another. Furthermore, the CMA credential provides access to exclusive career resources such as job posting, networking events, and professional development opportunities that can enhance an individual's career path even further. Ultimately, obtaining the CMA credential gives individuals a competitive edge in the job market that can help them secure better jobs and career advancement opportunities. What jobs can a CMA have? When determining if the CMA is right for you and calculating its benefits, it is also essential to consider the types of jobs held by CMA holders. To determine the potential opportunities for a CMA, let's examine the positions a CMA can hold. Here's a list of job opportunities for CMAs. Chief Executive Officer. A Chief Executive Officer is responsible for the overall success of an organization. This includes overseeing operations, setting strategic direction and goals, managing finances, maintaining relationships with stakeholders and boards, driving innovation, managing HR-related functions, and more. CEOs must also ensure their team is on track to meet their objectives. They work closely with other executive members to ensure that all areas of the organization work together efficiently and effectively towards a common purpose. Additionally, they must stay abreast of industry trends so that their company can remain competitive. To succeed, a CEO requires a deep understanding of all business disciplines, and excellent communication skills to motivate employees, manage executives, cultivate relationships with stakeholders and customers, negotiate deals with partners and vendors, and build strong relationships within the organization. A Chief Executive Officer is the highest ranking executive of a company, organization, or another enterprise. The CEO is responsible for the overall success of an entire organization, and it's their job to ensure that all departments and divisions work together to achieve their goals. Primary responsibilities of the CEO: creating and developing a vision for the company, developing strategies, leading and motivating employees, liaising with shareholders, actively engage in networking events, handling legal issues, cost accountant. Cost accountants examine the production costs of a business to minimize financial waste and maximize profit. Cost accounting is a subset of management accounting, so CMA certification will make you a desirable job candidate. Primary responsibilities of a cost accountant: developing and implementing systems for cost accounting, analyzing production costs, and suggesting modifications, supervising yearly physical inventory, employing, instructing, and supervising cost and inventory accounting personnel, setting cost standards for materials and labor. Senior accountant. Senior accountants utilize accounting principles and business practices to oversee the reporting of companies and organizations' costs, margins, expenditures, and productivity. Senior accountants perform fewer administrative tasks, such as updating journal entries, gathering data, and populating balancing sheets than their junior counterparts. Primary responsibilities of a senior accountant: complex financial report and record analysis, making recommendations based on reserve, asset, and expenditure analysis and status, auditing the accuracy of junior accountants' journal entries, coaching and mentoring junior personnel, completing variance analyses and account reconciliations, contributing to fiscal and tax audits, in support of the auditing team, documenting and monitoring internal controls, coordinate complex accounting projects and initiatives with other accounting and finance team members or departments. Chief Financial Officer. CFOs are essential senior leadership team members responsible for the entire organization's capital requirements, financial reporting, company investments, financial forecasting, and making the final call on significant business decisions. It is frequently the position just below or to the right of the company's CEO. CMAs and MBAs are required for accounting management positions at the highest level. Controllers frequently report directly to CFOs. The primary responsibilities of the Chief Financial Officer include providing the finance and accounting team with leadership, direction, and management, providing the CEO, president, and members of the executive management team with strategic recommendations, managing the financial forecasting and budgeting processes and supervising the preparation of all financial reporting, providing advice on long-term financial and business planning, developing and establishing relationships with senior management, external partners, and other stakeholders, examining every form of finance, HR, and a procedure. Corporate Controller. The Corporate Controller is a senior leadership position that typically oversees an organization's financial and accounting operations. The controller manages the personnel responsible for all financial reporting and accounting operations, including internal and external financial statements and regulatory reporting requirements. Other duties for controllers may include implementing internal control systems, evaluating the effectiveness of accounting systems, and monitoring business performance metrics, depending on the candidate's experience level. Primary responsibilities of a corporate controller: plan, direct it, and coordinate all operational accounting functions, managing the collection and consolidation of all financial data required for an accurate accounting of consolidated business results, coordination and preparation of both internal and external financial statements, coordination of external auditors' activities, providing management with crucial information for decision-making, governing the budgeting procedure, assessing current accounting processes, recommending enhancements, and implementing new procedures, accounting and internal control system evaluation, as required, evaluating the efficiency of accounting software and supporting databases, developing and monitoring performance metrics for business, managing regulatory reporting, including frequent tax planning and compliance, recruiting, training, and retaining qualified accounting personnel. Management accountant. Management accountant is a CMA position that focuses on providing financial data to aid the executive staff in making decisions. A management accountant must not only be an accounting expert, but also be able to present data in a way that addresses the challenges of management. Risk management, budget planning, strategic planning, and financial data analysis are essential CMA skills in managerial accounting. Primary responsibilities of a management accountant: manage internal financial operations, observe costs, sales, expenses, and budgets, perform audits, identify past trends, and anticipate future requirements, help company leaders make sound financial decisions. Financial analyst. A financial analyst is an expert in analysis and forecasting who studies market trends and microeconomic factors to assist a company in making prudent capital investments. This role may also advise executives on corporate bond issuance, stock splits, and other areas of concern. The CMA certification prepares to aspire financial analysts to make recommendations based on the data they compile. Primary responsibilities of a financial analyst: analysis of present and historical financial data and performance, reporting and forecasting based on this analysis, evaluating current capital expenditures and depreciation, investigating investment possibilities, developing and analyzing profit plans, identifying financial performance trends and making recommendations for enhancement, reviewing financial data and projections in coordination with other members of the finance team, offering financial models and projections. Financial risk manager. A financial risk manager examines data, financial markets, and global events to identify potential threats to an organization's financial success. Through planning and problem solving, they are responsible for recommending strategies for mitigating potential risks. The second CMA exam focuses on valuable topics for this position, such as risk management, investment decision, and decision analysis. Primary responsibilities of a financial risk manager: identify financial, safety, and security risks the client, organization, or company may face. Develop measures to reduce risk factors. Collect financial information such as income, assets, and liabilities from clients. Manage business insurance coverage. Perform risk evaluation, which assesses how the organization has historically dealt with risks. Make risk avoidance adjustments to current operating procedures to reduce future risks. Prepare a risk management budget. Provide staff with training and certification so that they are aware of risks and can attempt to avoid them. Staff accountants. Staff accountants are responsible for various tasks related to organizing financial information and creating reports. These professionals record and classify financial transactions, prepare balance sheets and income statements, assist with budgeting, audit internal financial documents, track spending trends, and create cost-benefit analyses. They also work with management to identify areas for potential cost savings or improved efficiency. Moreover, they analyze financial records to identify discrepancies or noncompliance with regulation, evaluate the effects of changes in operations on financial plans, and recommend solutions to address any issues. Staff accountants must have an extensive understanding of generally accepted accounting principles and the ability to communicate complicated concepts to clients in layperson's terms. As technology advances, they must also stay up to date on relevant software programs used in their profession. Primary responsibilities of staff accountants: preparing financial statements and reports that summarize and forecast the organization's financial position, developing and maintaining financial databases to ensure accurate tracking of transactions, reconciling accounts and analyzing discrepancies, examining invoices, purchase orders, and other documents to verify accuracy, assisting in the preparation of budgets by monitoring expenses and analyzing variances, analyzing complex transactions related to investment, assets, liabilities, and expenses, researching accounting issues to ensure compliance with applicable laws and regulations, developing internal control policies and procedures to protect the organization's assets. Budget analysts. Budget analysts are responsible for developing, analyzing, and managing financial plans that help an organization achieve its objectives. They analyze budgets to identify areas where cuts can be made or funds allocated more efficiently. Primary responsibilities of budget analysts: preparing financial documents such as budget reports and balance sheets, analyzing business operations to recommend cost-saving measures, examining contract terms for accuracy and compliance with state and federal regulations, developing strategies to support organizational goals through the use of data analysis, evaluating existing policies and procedures to ensure efficiency, accuracy, and compliance, assessing costs associated with product or services offered by the organization, monitoring spending trends and forecasting future budget needs based on historical data, collaborating with various departments within the organization to develop budgetary plans. Internal auditors. Internal auditors are responsible for conducting independent and objective audits to assess financial records accuracy, operational processes effectiveness, and compliance with laws and regulations. They review financial statements, operations management procedures, internal controls, data systems, and cybersecurity measures. Moreover, they also assess the effectiveness of risk management processes, including identifying areas vulnerable to fraud or abuse. Primary responsibilities of internal auditor: analyze the company's financial performance regarding efficiency and effectiveness, evaluate policies and procedures to ensure that they comply with legal requirements, investigate suspected irregularities such as fraudulent activities or mismanagement of resources, prepare detailed audit reports, develop strategies to improve internal control systems, recommend changes in accounting methods that can help streamline processes throughout the organization. Treasurer. The treasurer's primary duties are managing the organization's finances, overseeing investments and cash flow, creating financial reports, and providing accurate budget information. They also ensure compliance with all applicable laws and regulations, monitor the organization's creditworthiness, and manage its debt portfolio. Primary responsibilities of treasurer: managing endowments, liaising with financial institutions and vendors, developing new financing strategies for a short-term and long-term project, preparing income statements and balance sheets, creating auditing processes to ensure the accuracy of financial documents, and overseeing accounting staff, monitoring any taxes due from the organization so that it does not fall behind in paying them. Constantly evaluate the company's financial position to ensure it is healthy overall. What are the qualities and skills required for CMA? 1. Analytical skills. Certified management accountants need strong analytical skills to identify trends and patterns in data, draw conclusions from the collected information, and develop strategies for improving a business's financial performance. They must be able to analyze financial statements objectively and accurately interpret a company's financial position. 2. Problem-solving skills. CMAs must be able to identify problems and develop practical solutions. They must be able to think critically and creatively to develop practical solutions that maximize profits, reduce costs, and manage risks. 3. Leadership skills. A successful CMA needs leadership skills to effectively lead a team of professionals who work together to improve an organization's financial performance. They should be able to motivate others, delegate tasks appropriately, and manage group dynamics. 4. Communication skills. CMAs need excellent communication skills to effectively convey complex ideas or data points in understandable ways for non-financial audiences internally and externally. They must also be able to listen carefully and understand the needs of their team or other stakeholders before providing recommendations or advice based on their analysis of financial data. 5. Interpersonal skills. Besides being adept at presenting data meaningfully, CMAs should also possess strong interpersonal skills to interact effectively with people from all organizational levels. This includes being patient, understanding different personalities, and respecting differing opinions while still advocating for what they believe is best for the company's financial health overall. 6. Technical knowledge. Lastly, CMAS must have a thorough knowledge of accounting principles and an advanced understanding of investments and budgeting processes. They should also stay up to date on the latest technologies used by accountants so they can quickly adapt when necessary and efficiently utilize any new application or software that could benefit their workflows or analysis methods. 7. Strategic skills. CMAS are well positioned for planning and analytical roles due to their strategic thinking abilities. The emphasis placed on foresight enables CMAS to anticipate business performance. This is one of the primary reasons CMAS are hired over other professionals. CMAS utilize strategic thinking to deliver genuine value to their organization. They are frequently in high demand in the job market due to their ability to oversee a business holistically. 8. Management and mentoring abilities. Due to the rigorous requirements of the CMA certification, CMAS are frequently found in senior management positions. This position places them in charge of managing and mentoring large work teams. CMAS have strong leadership abilities that enable them to lead a team. Their management and mentoring skills allow them to assist subordinates in advancing their careers. In doing so, they will be successful professionals and serve as models for many aspiring professionals. How to become a CMA in 12 easy steps. Step 1. Research CMA and understand the requirements. Review the Certified Management Accountants exam syllabus and ensure you meet all the criteria, including education requirements. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with the exam content and structure, understanding that it comprises 4 sections. This includes financial reporting, planning, performance and control, cost management, strategic financial analysis, decision analysis for professional performance. Step 3. Ensure you have 2 years of work experience before taking the CMA examination, or look into alternative qualifications, such as passing a third-party evaluation course from an accredited source such as the American Institute of CPAs. Step 4. Complete an application to take the CMA exam by visiting the Institute of Management Accountants website and submitting your application form with relevant supporting documentation such as college transcripts or other proof of educational background. Step 5. Pay the associated fees required to apply for the exam, and wait for approval from IMA on whether you are eligible to take it. Step 6. Register for a review course if needed to prepare adequately for each section of the exam. Several excellent courses offered by Hawk Internationals are available online and in print format, so consider enrolling in one to help boost your chances at success on test day. Step 7. Set a study plan with realistic goals that include establishing a timeline for topics covered in each section and how often you will be studying per week. Stick to this plan. Step 8. Take advantage of practice exams offered by IMA, which can accurately assess how prepared you are for each section. This will give you greater insight into what areas need more focus when studying during Step 7 above. Step 9. Consider joining study groups if staying motivated during self-study sessions is challenging. They can provide a great support system while expanding your knowledge base simultaneously through collective discussions on critical topics related to becoming a certified management accountant. Step 10. Take each section one at a time. Maximize your allotted time wisely throughout each portion of the exam, allowing enough time to revise answers throughout all questions while staying true to allocated time limits per question type. Step 11. On test day, arrive 15 minutes ahead, at least 30 minutes prior, so there is no last-minute rushing around. Step 12. Remember post-exam activities. Don't be discouraged if results take longer than expected due to audit processes in place ensuring accuracy when calculating scores. Once results are finalized, IMA will email candidates directly with further instructions regarding the steps necessary to register as a certified management accountant officially. What are the drawbacks of becoming a CMA? The Certified Management Accountant designation is an advanced professional credential in accounting. However, becoming a CMA has its drawbacks. Here are some of the potential disadvantages of becoming a CMA. 1. Time commitment. Earning the CMA credential requires a significant time commitment. Candidates must complete 120 hours of continuing education, pass 2 examinations with 4 parts each, and commit to meeting the rigorous ethical standards of the Institute of Management Accountants. This can be difficult and time-consuming for those with full-time jobs and other obligations. 2. Cost. Becoming certified as a CMA has high costs that can add up quickly. The initial fee to become a candidate for certification is $450, and additional fees are associated with taking the exams, which average around $1,000 per part. Additionally, candidates must pay for study materials or courses to prepare for their exams, ranging from several $100s to several thousand, depending on the programs chosen. Finally, candidates may need to pay dues and fees related to staying active as members of IMA to keep their certifications valid over time. 3. Strict requirements. Once certified, CMAS must adhere to strict requirements to maintain their credentials over time, including continuing education credits per year and meeting high ethical standards set by IMA. Candidates who fail to meet these requirements will retain their certification status and must retake all 4 parts of their exams to become recertified. Overall, becoming a CMA is an admirable goal that brings many rewards, such as higher earning potential and job opportunities. It comes with certain drawbacks, such as time commitment and cost, that should be taken seriously and considered. What are the various challenges CMA faces? 1. Skills gap. One of the biggest challenges CMA faces is the resources and skills gap. With the ever-changing technological landscape, it is difficult for CMA to keep up with new trends. This often results in gaps in knowledge and expertise when staffing knowledgeable personnel. Additionally, there may be a need for more qualified personnel and help finding people with the correct skill set and experience to fill open positions. 2. Inadequate technology. CMA faces another challenge is inadequate technology infrastructure. While newer technologies are becoming increasingly available, CMA may not have access to all the services or tools necessary to keep up with its competitors. This can lead to problems such as slow response times or lack of data security, which can disadvantage them compared to other organizations within their industry. 3. Regulatory compliance. CMA's third challenge is meeting regulatory compliance requirements. Ensuring that all laws are followed can be complex, with a wide range governing different aspects of business operations. Failure to comply with regulations can result in hefty fines or criminal charges. Hence, CMA must stay abreast of any changes to remain in good standing with regulators and authorities. 4. Data security. CMA's fourth challenge is securing its data from external attackers. As companies collect more sensitive customer data, such as credit card information or personally identifiable information, they must ensure that strong security measures are put in place to protect this information from malicious actors who could use it for identity theft or fraud. Which degree is the best for CMA? Selecting the appropriate degree program is crucial for individuals interested in a certified management accounting career. While an undergraduate degree is not mandatory for CMA certification, it can assist in preparing candidates for the rigorous exam and enhance their job prospects. 4 major areas of study that provide excellent preparation for the CMA exam are accounting, finance, economics, and general business. The accounting field offers the specific knowledge necessary to excel as a CMA. An accounting degree provides students with hands-on experience in financial reporting and analysis, managerial accounting, cost accounting, and taxation principles. Such skills are fundamental to passing the CMA exam since these topics are included in both test parts. Additionally, an individual with an undergraduate degree in accounting may have already gained some practical work experience through internships or entry-level positions that could make them more competitive in the job market. Conclusion: why become a CMA? What can it do for your accounting career? In conclusion, becoming a certified management accountant will provide you with the knowledge and skills to become a successful accountant, bringing prestige, recognition, and networking opportunities. It is a great way to enhance your professional development and gain greater career fulfillment. Earning the CMA designation could open up more opportunities within the accounting field, allowing you to progress faster. If you're looking for an exciting career in accounting, getting certified as a CMA is certainly worth considering. Why become a CMA? Why become a CMA? What can it do for your accounting career? Recommended reading. Frequent asked questions. Can the CMA credential help you land a better job? The Certified Management Accountant exam is a globally recognized credential demonstrating expertise in financial planning, analysis, control, and decision support. The CMA certification is designed to provide management accounting professionals with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in today's business environment. In addition to improving job prospects, earning the CMA credential can lead to salary increases and career advancement opportunities. One of the main benefits of obtaining the CMA designation is that it sets you apart from other job candidates. Employers always seek individuals who have demonstrated their commitment to their field through certifications and other professional credentials. By passing the rigorous CMA exam, you show your mastery of essential skills such as budgeting, forecasting, financial analysis, and reporting that employers across various industries highly value. Is the CMA a good idea? The Certified Management Accountant exam is a professional qualification that has recently gained significant popularity. The CMA certification is an essential milestone for management accountants who want to enhance their career prospects. One of the key benefits of obtaining a CMA certification is the recognition it provides. The designation demonstrates that the holder possesses a broad range of accounting and financial management skills that are valuable for most organizations. Additionally, many employers prefer to hire individuals who have obtained this certification because it shows they are committed to their profession and have invested time and effort into developing their skills. Another advantage of obtaining a CMA certification is the ability to earn higher salaries compared to non-certified professionals. How much will the examination cost? The CMA exam cost can vary depending on several factors, including whether you are a member of the Institute of Management Accountants, where you live, and which testing window you choose. Generally speaking, if you are an IMA member, you will pay less for the CMA exam than non-members. For instance, as of 2021, members pay $415 per part, while non-members pay $515. Many testing centers charge additional fees for rescheduling or canceling your appointment. Are CMAs in demand? The demand for skilled management accountants is rising in today's fast-paced business world. As a result, more and more professionals seek to become certified management accountants. For many professionals seeking career advancement in accounting or finance, becoming a CMA is a valuable asset that can help them stand out.